calle São Domingos, walking through Macau, walking through São Domingos. Oh, 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 São Domingos, going through Macau, just going through Macau, just walking through Macau.
St. Dominic Street in Macau. We're going to give you a little context of this before we go down our street. This is kind of at the base of it. Over here is Senado Square, but we're just going to give you a little context, and then we're going to put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And then oddly enough, today St. Dominic's Church is being restored, so we'll see what that looks like later. But let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So yeah, we'll see what that looks like. So that's St. Dominic's Church, which is usually a highlight right in this corner. And then down this way is Senado Square. So this would be the most most people would say it feels like they're in Europe. It feels like they're in Portugal. So this is basically the spot. This is called Senado Square, Senate Square. Senate building is right there, Royal Senado. Then you have these little alleys that go up to Say Cathedral. And then this one is St. Dominic's, which is currently being restored. So we'll see what that looks like in the near future. But we're gonna go up our street anyways. There's lots of other really cool stuff going on around here. Okay. Yeah, usually this is a highlight with the church. But there's also a lot of beauty just in the buildings around here already as well. Okay, so we're gonna walk up St. Dominic's, and you can definitely see the beauty of the buildings. There's our street name, Rua de São Domingos, St. Dominic's. And this leads all the way up to St. Paul ruins in one direction. People come up this to walk to St. Paul ruins, and then straight up it goes to the Portuguese consulate and the Portuguese bookstore. We're going to be walking in that direction, but we're going to capture these buildings, the architecture along the way. Okay. Yeah, St. Dominic's is such a beautiful area. You got all these beautiful buildings like that. This particular space here is all pedestrians, no cars as you can see, but it used to be, old photos used to have cars in this area. So I need to move away from that because of the music. Got some Turkish music there. I assume it's Turkish. But that will affect the video. So just keep walking up São Domingos. This is Say, goes up to another church up there. So the first one is Domingos, Dominic's. St. Paul is up this way. Say is that way. There's quite a few churches in the historic Portuguese areas, but our street goes up this way. Okay. Let's just go back this way. This Nike one has this glass that's shaped in a curvature, concave. And then you have these little Macau things like this, tourist these are kind of everywhere in Macau these days, and then tourists brings in the tourists because they like it to capture the sign, like that Macau sign right there. Right there. Okay. Got some ice cream shops. Some really beautiful architecture. We have all these little alleys. So that's the interesting thing about Macau is you can always come in these little alleys and it'll be super quiet. And if you know some of the alleys, you can take shortcuts to different places. Little Becco de Roma, Rome alley. Okay, so we're gonna go up Domingos. There's the Portuguese bookstore right there. Let's say church is right there. Portuguese bookstore. Livraria Portuguesa. A lot of tourists, they walk slowly here. But actually cars come through here, so okay, so we are going to try to get across. Okay. So yeah, that's the church, and then you have these little beautiful little murals here with some literature writers. But they had more. There's some. I thought they had wraparound of these, but I guess they cleared some of them so they have the view of the books again as well. Oh, here's some more. My mind is blank. I would tell you their names. Fernando Pisania. Their images are going out of my head now. But the one to the right was Pisania, a poet from Portugal. That wrote about Macau, 1800s. Okay, so we are still going up Domingos, and then we're going to come to the ending of it shortly. This will actually change into another street called Rua de. Let me just see here. So that's the new street, Pedro Nolasco da Silva. And then we're going to, but this is all part of our street. So let me go back. There we go. So I'm going to capture this image right here. That's actually a really beautiful apartment building right there. Beautiful balconies, nice storefront downstairs. So this is all St. Dominic's. And we're going to end our video right there. So that's another Sights of Macau for you all. Okay, now that the cars moved out of the way. You can capture it like that image right there. Check out these balconies. So you also have the balconies on the other side too. Okay. St. Dominic Street.